This Fine Island Properties LLC property video is presented by Gloria Ezra less than bedroom greater than Realtor Bic RB 23,464. Opportunity awaits? The moment you enter this single-level 3-bed, 3-bath home, you'll be captivated by the breathtaking ocean view. Enjoy stunning sunrises from the primary bedroom, where the sun peeks through the horizon. The flexible floor plan offers options for a home office or multi-generational living. The freshly painted exterior and spruced-up interior create a welcoming ambience. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, you will love the outdoor shower for rinsing off after a fun-filled beach day at nearby Waihee Estates Beach Park. Surfing, fishing, diving, golfing at Waihee Golf Course, swimming, bodyboarding, and snorkeling are all just a few blocks away, close to schools and shopping. Don't miss this rare find.